Hello and welcome back to another episode of Teaching Partner. Today I've got something small but super useful to share with you. So picture this, you are in a classroom and things are getting a bit noisy. That's where our new friends Bouncy Balls comes in. It's a cool tool that shows the noise level in the classroom using bouncing balls on the screen. As the noise goes up, you can see on the screen the ball bounce more and more, giving you a fun and a clear way to see just how loud it's getting. And when things quiet down, the balls calm down too, creating a dynamic way to keep an eye on the noise level and help everyone stay focused. This tool is perfect for group work or when everyone's collaborating, especially when things starts to get a bit too loud. By giving a visual cue tied to the noise level, Bouncy Balls brings a creative and interactive approach to keeping the classroom a bit quieter and more focused. So there you have it, a fun and engaging way to manage noise levels in the classroom. This tool is completely free. Give it a try and see the difference it can make and share your experience. So that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope this video is very useful for you. So thank you very much. If you have any question, query, or you need any support for making a decision, don't hesitate to write an email to theteachingpartner@gmail.com. Thank you very much and see you in the next video. Goodbye.